How to use two WhatsApp or two Facebook account on a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to advanced features. Tap on it. Now scroll down again. At the bottom you can see dual messenger feature. That will helpful to access the two social media application of the same WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook at the same time. Your personal account or your business account. Tap on a dual messenger. Now here you can see supported apps will appear here after you install on your Samsung device. Just toggle on the option you want to create a second copy. Here we toggle on Facebook. Now install a second copy of your Facebook. Tap on install. Now second copy of Facebook install. Now go back. Open the app drawer. And you can find the second copy of Facebook with orange color icon round. Original you can find in your app drawer. Here we can see original Facebook logo. In second copy you can find the orange icon round shape. Just tap on it and log in with your Facebook account to access to Facebook account at the same time. If you don't want to use, just long press it. Tap on uninstall. Tap on uninstall. Uninstall the second copy of Facebook. You can use your main copy. Tap on uninstall. Now second copy of Facebook uninstall. So quite easy to use two WhatsApp, Facebook or Instagram account using this dual messenger feature on a Samsung Fold 6 and other Samsung One UI 6.1 devices. That's it. If you like it, share it.